I'm Aaron with Cabinet Granite Depot. Today, let's meet Felicia so you know what to expect when you walk through the door.
Welcome to the Cabinet Granite Depot. What brings you in today?
We're remodeling some areas in our home, and I'd like to get some information on cabinets and countertops.
So are you looking for something more modern or more traditional?
I think we're looking for something a little more modern.
Well, great. I think I have some options. Let's take a look.
So what kind of features do these cabinets have?
So this is our more modern line, shaker style cabinets. They are all soft closed doors and drawers. The drawers are dovetailed plywood construction box. They come in a variety of different colors. We have different options for the doors, such as glass. The fronts are maple. They come with a 1-year warranty.
What about some of the sizes and options?
The wall cabinets come in different heights. We also have different options for the crown molding.
This is really great, and honestly, this is exactly what we were looking for. So now I'm interested in the countertops.
Okay, great. Are you looking for granite or quartz?
So I really don't know the difference. So can you explain to me exactly what it is?
Quartz is manufactured, granite is natural stone, which makes it more porous. The patterns are very different from granite and quartz. Granite tends to be a little bit busier, where quartz is a little more of a clean look. Well, both of them you're going to want to use a mild detergent with warm water and definitely no harsh chemicals.
So do you have to seal quartz or granite?
You do need to seal granite. We have options for that, and you do not need to seal quartz at all though.
So can you show me some of my options?
I would love to. Let me give you a tour of our facility. I can show you where the slabs are and also where the granite is fabricated. So you've looked around the facility and made some great selections. What other questions do you have for me?
I'm definitely gonna go with the shaker style cabinets and the quartz countertop. I was curious about the turnaround on those.
So once you order your cabinets, it'll be about 4 to 6 weeks and we'll get those delivered to you. After your contractor installs the base cabinets, we will come do a laser template for the tops, and about 2 weeks later, you'll have countertops. Thank you so much for coming in. I look forward to working with you.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to see what it looks like.
So Matt's already been out, done all the kitchen measurements for the cabinets. The client's been in. We've kind of made our final decisions on what we want the final project to look like. So I am gonna just add some countertops on here, and once I do that, it should be ready for them to see. And it's hard for a lot of people to see what the cabinets and countertops that they choose are gonna look like together. So once we do this and they can see it, then they're so excited. We use 2020 software. And that's very important really in the designing process because they can actually see what the kitchen will look like when it's finished. So basically they know what their kitchen looks like before and I'm giving them an after shot of what it will look like. They can tweak anything in this, they can get more drawer bases, they can do garbage can units, roll-out trays. There's a lot of different things that they can add while we're doing this. So it gives them more options and they can actually see it, which helps with the process tremendously. I think people that are on the verge of, oh, are we definitely gonna do it? Are we not? Once they actually see what it's gonna look like, then they're usually on board 100%. Coming in and choosing different selections with cabinets and countertops, it's exciting, but to actually see their selections put together, they get really excited about that. And that's another part I love about my job is just to see that how enthused they are with the whole process.
Thank you so much for watching. Please visit us on our website.
Remember to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
And that way you can stay up to date with all of us here at the Cabinet Granite Depot.
Thank you.
Thank you.